Hey everyone, this is Primal Kyogre 17. When you see a fire alarm pool station like this, and there's a key in it, you're like, what will, I wonder what it looks like inside of it. So anyways, you just push in that key, and then all of a sudden, now you didn't set off the fire alarm unless if it's a button instead of a switch. So, okay, so I'm like, I wonder what happens if I take the key from it. Okay, so you have this key right here. So, usually, you could go to jail for that. Because that is theft with what you just did right there. But, here's the main problem what it is. People just go up and there's no key in it. You just go up and they just do that. What you just did right there by pulling that down, like the fire department is being notified, the fire alarm is sounding, and everyone's evacuating the building, you can end up 90 days in jail, plus even a $500 fine. That's a lot of money. And I doubt that kids who are doing this in school, I doubt that they have that kind of money, or unless their parents are paying that for them.